Hello, my name is Dr. Sahabi from California Dental Group. You know, a question that is often asked is that what is a sealant and what does it do to prevent, how does it prevent cavities? Now, sealant is a wonderful, wonderful thing that can be done on teeth that have not had any cavities or just erupted. So if your child is like 7 or 8 years old, you must have sealants on those permanent teeth, because those are the teeth that right after eruptions they get cavities, because the children don't pay good attention in keeping those areas clean, and those are the ones that usually cause problems. So I want to explain to you what are the sealants. I have some videos that I want to show you. This video that you see, the white stuff that you see on that tooth was sealant. Now, teeth are made up of these grooves. The bacteria in our saliva goes and hides inside these grooves, and these bacteria cause decay. Now, you see, look at these grooves. These are the hiding places for the bacteria. So what the sealant does, it goes in and actually seals these grooves. Now, these bacteria, once they stay on those grooves, they start decaying the tooth. Now, decay is like basically like termite that slowly eats away the tooth structure. So we place a conditioner on the tooth, and then we paint that sealant on the tooth, and we let it harden by using this light, and this actually covers all those grooves that end up with cavities. So this is for people that are prone to cavities, people that are prone to periodontal disease. As I said, it is most commonly used on children, but it can be used on some adults that are prone to cavities. So this is a wonderful thing that can be done, and I have more videos like this on the link that you see on the website. Thank you.